All right, here we are on the city project. Task 1, line number 4. So the line 4 instructions are saying find the street or the equation of the line parallel to line 1 and goes through point 9, -2. All right, so in order to do that, we have to look at the slope of line 1 because parallel lines have the same slope. So if I have to create a line that's parallel to line 1, I have to look at the slope of line 1. Well, the slope of line 1 was 1/3, 1/3. Okay, and so now I have to use the point that I'm given and as well as the slope of line 1. And I'm going to use the point slope form, plug in my values of my point and my slope, which my x1 and y1 is 9, 2, -2. And I'm going to get my equation they want it in slope-intercept form, as you can see. So let's plug it in. We got y plus 2 and equals 1/3 times x minus 9. And we simply got that because y minus y1 and y1 is -2, so that changes that to a positive. We keep the slope the same, that's 1/3, and then we say x minus x1, which is x1 is 9, so it'd be x minus 9 there. All right, so now we're going to simplify by distributing the 1/3. So the y plus 2 stays the same on the left side, but we multiply 1/3 times that x and times that -9. And the result is this: y plus 2 equals 1/3 times x is 1/3 x, and 1/3 times -9 is just -3, because 1/3 of -9 is 3. So now we've simplified as much as we can. Now we have to isolate y by performing an opposite operation. Well, we're doing the opposite of plus 2, which is going to be minus 2. Okay, minus 2 on each side. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So that's going to cancel the 2 on the left side of the equal sign. It's going to leave y by itself equaling 1/3 x. And when we subtract 2 from -3, we get -5. And so our equation in slope-intercept form is y equals 1/3 x minus 5. And now all we have to do is take this information and graph line 4 that is parallel to line 1. So here we go. All right, so from our equation that is in slope-intercept form, we can derive that the slope was 1/3, that's the m, and the b, which is the y-intercept, is simply -5. So we always start with the b when we're graphing. That's our beginning point. So we go to -5 on the y-axis and plot that point. Now we're going to use the m, or the slope, the rise over run, and rise 1 and run 3. And then we're going to plot a point. And we're going to continue the process from that point. Rise 1, run 3, plot a point. Again, rise 1, run 3, plot a point. Again, rise 1, run 3, plot a point. And we ran out of space on the right-hand side of the y-intercept, so now we've got to go back to the y-intercept and go in the reverse direction, going down 1 and backwards 3, and then plot a point. Down 1 and backwards 3, plotting a point. Down 1, backwards 3, and plotting a point. Down 1, backwards 3, plotting a point. Take your straight edge, draw a straight line through all the points from left to right or from right to left, and then you're going to label it like so. And we have complete line 4, which is parallel to line 1. The equation is y equals 1/3 x minus 5. God bless you guys. Have a great night.